Hey, this is Chantel with WTI. If you are in the market for a new saucepan, I highly recommend Caraway. The ceramic coating and the way that it's designed just makes everything cook perfectly, and it's been a dream come true.
Not only is it great for sauce, but we make a lot of meals that involve rice, and this pan cooks the best rice by far. The pan creates so much steam for precise cooking, and because of the way it's designed, you can cook everything on low to medium heat. Therefore, no more burnt rice stuck to the bottom of my pan. I mean, look at how easily I can stir my cooked rice without having to scrape it from the bottom. I love having a non-stick pan that is actually non-stick. Caraway has made not only effective cookware, but beautiful cookware that everyone comments on when they come over for dinner.
I'm so glad we went with Caraway when we were shopping for new pans because I have just been so happy with them. But that's just my point of view.